Ballerina, whose child is this? Ballerina, tell me the truth. What happened to you?
This is how this accident happened to me.
Don't worry, I am with you. Ballerina.
Hey, baby! Drink the milk quickly! Don't bother me! Hey, baby! Don't bother me! Drink the milk quickly!
Hey, Ballerina, look how happy he is in the swing.
Hey, guys! Look, my parents are getting married today! Take this milk, son, and go to sleep now!
Finally, my love, we have become one.
Honey, we need to get some supplies from the market.
Doctor, my wife's health is very bad. Are you in the hospital?
Doctor, I've been vomiting since morning, and my stomach hurts.
Hey, Ballerina, doctor told me that there was nothing to worry about. But the good news is,